Welcome. I'm Robert Newstead, the founder of Guardrail Finance. I realize that not everyone knows the origin story of Guardrail Finance, so I thought today would be fun to go through the background of Guardrail Finance and as well as give a little background on me. So in 2012, I was working for one of the largest commercial real estate firms in the world, and it's a publicly traded firm. I worked for them both in Honolulu, Hawaii, and also in Silicon Valley, California. And I was in charge of providing debt and equity financing alternatives to our clients. But coming out of the recession of 2009, I really started investing a lot more on my own with friends and family and also with clients. So from 2009 to 2012, I was getting a lot more active in the investment space as well. So in 2012, I really started thinking long and hard, what was I going to do in the future? What was I going to focus on? And I really thought I wanted to continue doing both. I want to serve my clients and provide them with the best financing possible. And so I want to provide debt financing solutions to my clients and their projects. On the other hand, I want to be able to take care of my family long term, and I want to be able to pass something on and have my own legacy. And so I wanted to continue doing the investing because that gives me passive cash flow, and long term I believe it increases my net worth as well. So I wanted to have both facets of the business and be able to provide solutions for my clients. I think that it actually helps both my clients and my investors to know that I'm involved with both. As a financier, my clients know that I'm also investing, and so they understand that I am going through the same situations that they go through, and I understand their dilemmas that they have when discussing financing solutions with lenders. On the other hand, with my investors, they also know I'm involved in the financing markets every single day for our projects and for our clients' projects. So I have a depth and breadth of experience in the finance side that translates into our investment opportunities where our clients have confidence that we'll be able to find debt solutions for any of the properties that we're investing in. So after thinking long and hard in 2012, I eventually made the decision that I was going to go out on my own. I thought about whether I was going to work for another firm that had a little bit more flexibility and wasn't publicly traded. I thought about going to work in an investment shop or for one of my clients. But ultimately I said I wanted to be master of my own domain and start my own firm that would give me the flexibility to do both client financing as well as investing. Now, I didn't exactly know what the company name was going to be. Although I had the idea of the company in my mind, I wasn't sure what to do with the name of the company. I could have easily called the company Newstead Commercial Mortgage or Newstead Finance or Newstead Commercial Real Estate, but I wanted to have a little bit more of a brand, and I wanted to think about something that related to the services that I was providing and what benefit that was providing with clients. So as it happened, fate intervened one day. I was driving back from San Francisco to Silicon Valley, going south on 101, right near SFO, and I started heading west on I-380 to go south on 280. As I was making the merger from 380 to 280, I was daydreaming about the company and what I was going to call it when I almost hit the guardrail. And I thought, that's ironic. The guardrail's job is to keep me on track on the road so that I don't veer off and crash. Part of my job, I believe, as an advisor for my clients on the debt financing is to keep them on track. And part of my job with my investors is to help them stay on track for their financial retirement. So I thought, this is interesting. I'm going to call the firm Guardrail Finance. I talked with a couple people and I told them the story. They thought it was really ironic as well, and Guardrail Finance was born. Guardrail Finance is a financial intermediary. We offer capital solutions to our clients. We are generally in the middle market, providing loans between $3 million and $100 million. We act as an advisor for our clients, and we provide debt financing solutions for apartment complexes as well as for commercial real estate all across the country. We are working with money center banks, we work with regional banks, we work with local banks, we work with life insurance companies, the Wall Street investment banks, and we also will work with the agencies as well. Guardrail Finance is also a real estate investment company. We focus on syndicating equity opportunities for our friends and family, and we focus on small balance multifamily transactions and commercial transactions, generally between 1 million and 20 million across the country. If you like this video, please feel free to like, share, or comment. We'd be happy to answer any questions that you have related to commercial real estate finance or commercial real estate and multifamily investing. Please feel free to drop us a line, learn more about us at our website, and also feel free to view us on social media. Thanks very much, and until next time, let's continue growing our cash flow and net worth together.